Hi, I'm Andrea Walters. I'm the Financial Aid Lab Coordinator here at Motlow College. Wanted to tell you guys about the most important things that you're going to need to know in order to navigate your My Motlow account for financial aid purposes. When you got your letter of acceptance from Motlow, you had three important things on there. The first one was your Motlow ID number, which starts with the letter A. You're going to need that number all the time. Anytime you call financial aid, anytime you stop in to ask a question about your account, we're going to ask, what's your student ID number? So please know what that number is and get your ID card made so that you always have the number. The other two important things on that letter of acceptance are the instructions on how to log into your My Motlow account and how to log into your student email account. That's important, and I want you to really hear and understand me, because those are the only two ways that the financial aid office is going to ask you or let you know that we need more information from you. So if you're checking those two accounts regularly, you'll navigate the financial aid process very smoothly. I did put in your planner, you have a Steps to Success document in there. The first two steps you've already completed. The next two steps, 3 and 4, talk about the importance of your My Motlow and your student email account. On the back also talks about the fact that we no longer offer loans. That's important to remember. We don't offer loans at all at Motlow College. So the most important part of why you need to be checking your My Motlow and your student email account is to take care of these student requirements. We can't finish your file for financial aid and post anything that you might be eligible for until you actually complete all student requirements. Also, once your aid is posted, it's very important that you remember that just because you might receive financial aid doesn't mean you'll always have it. There are things called satisfactory academic progress standards. Those are simply the criteria that a student needs to be meeting and to maintain in order to remain eligible to receive aid at Motlow. It's also very important that you remember Motlow no longer offers student loans, but we do have other scholarship opportunities available. You can find those on our website. The website is actually on the form also that's in your planner. The best thing about your My Motlow account is that it's available to you 24/7. You can check for student requirements, find out what your financial aid status is anytime. Just be careful and make sure that you're reading everything fully. Especially watch for things in red in your My Motlow account, because that means it's important. Things like deadlines and dates that you need to meet. So always be sure to pay close attention to anything in red, anything that talks about a priority date, a deadline date. Make sure that you jot those down and that you're aware of them. So students who remember their student ID number, check their My Motlow and their student email regularly, will navigate the financial aid process very smoothly. And remember, if you forget anything in your planner, we have the Steps to Success. You can go ahead and check those, and certainly if you have any questions, call the financial aid office for assistance.